There's a moment in every great concept scene when the lighting suddenly makes the world feel alive and believable. Today, how to create photo bash stormy weather scenes. Open Adobe Photoshop and create a new canvas around 3600 by 2000 pixels so the scene feels wide and cinematic. Import a landscape environment like mountains, a coastline, or an open field and stretch it across the canvas. Now, drag in a dark storm cloud image and place it above the horizon to replace the sky. If the clouds overlap the terrain, add a layer mask and blend the horizon using a soft black brush at low opacity.